Hey everybody, today we're in a Ford Maverick. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip angled mount number 855853. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First off, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it as the blue covering here. Now you want to peel that blue covering off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second is always make sure you install the mount to the vehicle before you screw anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount's going to attach in two places. The first is going to be this bolt right here that is just next to the passenger airbag sign. And then the lip of the mount is going to wrap around this edge next to the cubby here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the included Allen key and we're going to completely remove this bolt. So now that we've removed that screw, we're going to insert it into the screw hole on the mount, and then we're going to get it started again in that same screw hole. So you just want to get it, the first few threads restarted. Once you have the first few started, now you just want to pull the mount gently until this lip goes on this side of the cubby and sits firmly here. With that in place, now we can retighten this until it's tight. Now that that screw's tightened down, we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.